we successfully hit our target again. Here we got our target. So see how we are getting our profits one by one. Hello everyone, welcome to the Stratex path. Today we will going to discuss about SMA 50 and 200 death crossover strategy. People think that SMAs are lagging indicators, so that is why these strategies along with SMS are don't work in the market, but that's not true. Today I'll going to show my entry setup and proper exit setup by which we can able to generate a lot of wealth by using this simple strategy. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, to apply this strategy, we need to open our favorite chart, whether it is stocks, forex, crypto, or whatever you like. You have to open your chart on your trading platform, and then you have to choose your desired time frame from this part of the trading window. If you don't see these options here, you have to click on this little icon, and then you will going to see all of those time frames are available here. So here we can see so many time frames are here. For today we will going to learn this strategy on 1 hour time frame, so that is why we will going to choose 1 hour from this drop down menu. Click on it. Okay, now as you can see, our chart is now open on 1 hour time frame. After this, because we are going to use SMAs for our strategy, we need to go to the indicators tab, click on it, and from here go to the search bar and search for SMA. SMA stands for simple moving average. Click on it twice, 1 and 2, and cross it. As you can see, our both EMAs are plotted on our chart. So we need to modify our SMAs to apply our strategy. So go to the first SMA and click on the setting icon. Go to the input tab, and from here select 50 or type 50. Go to the styles tab, select the color red, because this will going to be our fastest EMA on this strategy. So we will going to choose this red, and for thickness we will going to select the second option and cross it. Now you can see our 50 SMA is now plotted on our chart. So we have to do the same thing with our second SMA. Click on the setting tab, go to the inputs, type 200, go to the styles, select the color black, and the thickness will be second line. Okay, cross it. Now as you can see, our both SMAs are plotted on our chart. Now let's hide the chart for our better understanding. When our 50 SMA crosses and goes below to our 200 SMA, that time we will going to see a bearish trend, or you can see a death crossover. It went up, and again when it came down after this crossover, we can see very big trends are forming. Again here many big trends are forming after this crossover, especially we are using 1 hour chart. That is why we can see this kind of big momentums. If you are using long term trend, then this kind of crossover might happen after a long years, like it may take 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. But because we are using 1 hour time frame, we can able to see this kind of crossovers like very often. Now let's unhide the chart. Now let's understand how we will going to enter to our trades, because if you search and get information from the YouTube or Google, they will going to say after the crossover you will going to be witness of this kind of trends, but they will not going to tell you the actual entries and exits. After all, we all want to take profit from the market. That is why we all need to know exact entries and exits for each and every strategies. That is why Stratex path is here. So let's understand when we will going to enter to the trade. See, here we can see a crossover happened. After that, we need to wait to price go all the way up and crosses above to this 50 SMA. See, here we can see this kind of setup. After that, we need to wait for a candle closing below this SMA along with this crossover. See, here we can see a candle closing, a bearish candle closing below this 50 SMA. So we can take the trade here. Our stop loss will be our previous swing high, like this you can see here, and we will going to look for the 1:3 RR ratio, and here as you can see our trade went successfully and hit our target. So as you can see how we are getting our targets. So let's look at the another trade. Here the candle closed below to the 50 SMA. So we will going to enter here. Our stop loss will be like a previous swing high here, and you can see our stop loss got triggered. But nothing to worry. Here we can see here is another trade. We will going to enter here. Our stop loss will be our previous swing high here, and we're going to look for the 1:3 RR. Our 1:3 RR is successfully triggered here, and we successfully got our target. So this is our second profit. Let's see another trade here. See, I am showing you all the trades which came one by one, not the random part of the chart. So this is authentic. Here we can see another trade. This candle closed below to our SMA. It went up and closed below. We will going to set our stop loss to the recent swing high here, and we will going to look for the 1:3. And as you can see, we successfully hit our target on the very next candle, or you can say the second candle. Here we got our target. So see how we are getting our profits one by one. Let's look at the another trade. Here we are seeing that our red candle opened here and closed below our SMA 50. So we will going to enter to our trade here. Our stop loss will be our recent swing high here. This will be our entry zone. Let's look at the chart and try to find if we got our target or not. Okay, let's drag it to the right side, and let's see. Okay, we successfully hit our target again. So see how a simple death crossover can generate multiple targets and give multiple rewards. See how we hit our 4 targets in a row and 1 stop loss. So this is the power of the simple strategy along with some refinement. Hope you like this refined strategy and you got to know everything about the strategy. Hope you like this refined strategy which is done by me, and I hope that you love this strategy and learn everything about it. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.